Here we have a dependable Vauxhall Astra looking very smart in brilliant white, and a car that was registered in January 2012, and it's only covered about 11,000 miles, so that's not too many. And the 1.4 petrol I think you'll find entertaining to drive, but running costs are under control. Group 4 insurance, about 50 to the gallon combined is the official figure, so I think they're all good. And a really smart cabin. I think in recent years Vauxhall have done a grand job, and you'll feel quite comfortable behind the wheel. Air conditioning, radio and CD player, electric windows, and a great set of alloys as well. So if you'd like to find out a little bit more, you are more than welcome to give Jackie and the team a call in our call centre and reserve the car. There's no deposit and no obligation. Bring your licence with you, have a test drive and discover this great car for yourself at Fords of Winsford.